Hello everybody, today on Simply Mercy B, I'm going to show you how I put together my southern fried collard greens. Meet me in the kitchen. Okay, in my boiler I have 4 cups of water, some ham pieces, and a half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And we're going to let this boil for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add our greens to our meat that's been boiling with chicken bouillon. And we're going to put half of the greens in, and then we're going to put a half a tablespoon of complete seasoning. And then we're going to put the other half of the greens in, and then we're going to put another half a tablespoon of complete seasoning. And we're going to let this cook for about 45 minutes. Once your greens come to a boil, about 15 minutes into your cooking time, go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of sugar and a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and this will help tenderize the greens. So while our greens are completing the boiling process, we're going to go ahead and cut up 2 strips of bacon into a frying pan, and this is what we're going to fry our greens in.
Head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out.
And this is what our greens look like after 45 minutes. So once our meat finishes rendering down, we're going to add those greens to the frying pan, and we're going to fry up those greens.
Singing my own songs and making ends meet. But good enough ain't good nor enough. When going for gold, then things can get rough. What lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling
Okay, let's finish seasoning up our greens by adding cayenne pepper. And I am going to add about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a half a teaspoon of essence. And that's all we're going to need. And we're going to let this cook down. And once all of the water has cooked out, we'll be ready. They're ready. Oh, sorry about the steam. Let's give them a taste. My. They are delicious. I promise you, give this recipe a try and you will want to add this one to your recipe book. So please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.